So as a new TikTok Shop affiliate, I'm continuously looking for ways to maximize or double my earnings, and in this video I'm going to share one of the ways that's been working for me in this short period of time. So let me come over here to my phone. As always, I want to just show you guys that what I'm talking about, what I'm going to show you is true. It is making me money. So here I am on my TikTok account, Ruben Recommends, if you want to follow me and track my journey. Let's go into the earnings. As you can see, in the last 7 days, estimated commission almost $5,000. That's crazy, and it's only 2 weeks and 4 days into the program. Let me click on my earnings here. You can see today I've got $535 that I can withdraw. My earnings history, I've already withdrawn a good amount here. As you can see, $4,000, another $1,600 on March 5th, and then on March 8th another $1,100. So a lot of money that can be made in this program. What I'm trying to teach you guys is working for me, and I hope that it can work for you as well. So let me come back over here. We're going to go into my computer here, and I just want to show you guys the way I have this laid out. So on my page, if you hop on it, you'll see that a lot of the banners are going to be under black text. All these that are under black text or black banners, those are just my normal original videos. Whenever you see any banner on my account that has a white banner, like these here, that just means that these are comment replies. And I just want to show you the power of comment replies as a way to maximize or double your earnings with all of your products. So let's actually start at the bottom here. You can see that one of my first comment replies was only 5,657 views, but I kept at it. The next one, 4,032 views. And I'll break down each of these individually. And then
my dogs
this one here, 237,000 views. Let me go back here real quick, or 234,000 views. And we'll kind of walk through whether or not you got to keep the comment on there the whole time, when you should do it, should you even acknowledge the comment, stuff like that, and kind of the psychology behind having that comment on the video itself. But just for starters, I just want to show you that this works. So 234,000 views on that one, 15,500 on this one, another almost 4,000 on that one, almost 1,000 on that one. This one almost 14K. This one is going viral right now for me, 514,000. Yesterday it was at like 270,000 or something like that. So this one is popping off right now. And before I keep going, I just want to tell you guys, I mention this in every video because I'm telling you, I'm sharing everything I know here in my Facebook group. I'm right here on my phone again. This is my Facebook group. TikTok Shop Affiliate Program Community. I'll have it linked down in the description below. But you can see my trending products. I let you guys know right when they're taking off. So this one was the car air freshener, and if you come back over here to my computer screen, you can see that right now that car air freshener is number 3 on all of trending products on TikTok, and I let you guys know this on March 2nd. It's currently March 9th. The other one that did really well for me was this dual dog leash. This is my most profitable product. You can see the IO Shop dual dogs leash, and then the other one that I mentioned to you guys on 5 days ago, that's actually the one that's now here taking off for me, 514,000 on the comment reply, and it actually has more than the original, which was only 41,000 views. So you can see the power of these comment replies, and we'll go into it, like I said, the breakdown, the psychology of it. Those 3 products that I mentioned in that Facebook group, all my most profitable products. Okay, I have so much pain in those exact areas, especially on my right side. I'm so tempted to get that pillow. So when I started this video, I just have that comment there on the top left. For this one, I took it off right as I started explaining the product again, so I didn't put it on the whole video. But just by having this comment reply there on screen, this tells new viewers, okay, somebody is interested in the product already, or somebody else is kind of acknowledging it, somebody else has looked into it. This kind of gives them a little bit of incentive to maybe look at the product themselves, or even just pay more attention to the video by knowing that somebody else has already taken interest into the same product. And then another thing is the way I start the video. I start the video like I'm already mid-sentence, like I'm mid-conversation with somebody. So just listen to this. Yeah, so if you tend to have neck pain or shoulder pain, like you said, in the right side or even the left side, or even kind of right on the base of the skull, sometimes leading into a migraine, a lot of times that's because of the way that you're sleeping. So with normal pillow. Okay, so there you go. So you see, right when I started, I say, yeah, so if you have a lot of neck pain or shoulder pain, so I'm like in the middle of a conversation, somebody just told me something, I'm like, yeah, you know what, you're right. If you have this, And also, yes, this pillow is disgusting. That's why I put it on here, because I wanted people to comment about it, and look, at it worked. That pillow was once white. Yo, the yellow pillow, please get a new one. So I purposely chose the ugliest pillow that we had available. Okay, just another way that I've mentioned before, get people to want to comment on your video. Do things like this, like where you do something where somebody's going to comment, or force them to comment, say something wrong. Like on one video I had said Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra when it's supposed to be Ultra. So just small little things like that that are little misslips. People will comment about it. Let's go into another one here. This one here, actually 45,000 views on a comment reply. And this is actually a comment reply to a video that was a comment reply itself. So you can see this one was a comment reply, 839,000 views. I did a comment reply to that one, 45,000 views. So this one is definitely viral. And I didn't even talk in this one. That's the funny thing. This is just me acknowledging the comment here. So what if you accidentally bump it while getting something else? Then I just show myself locking the magic tap here. So it's very simple, 5 to 6 second clip, and it's just me just demonstrating or acknowledging that comment. So this is one of those situations where you can just keep the comment the whole time on screen, because that's the importance of this specific video. Okay, and this one I do basically the same thing. What if it molds? So then I'm basically just going to show myself cleaning it, because that's what you're going to do to prevent it molding. And then that's when it disappears. Oh, and this is another thing. I here purposely use a bunch of soap. Purposely, I'm using a whole lot of soap. Normally I would never use that much soap. And you can see you do not need that much soap to wash the outside. Got to use a ton of that Palmolive to clean effectively. Yeah, so you can see it's working. Stop wasting that soap. You can see, get people to want to comment on your video, because this will also give you opportunity to reply to more videos, okay, or to have comments to use those for new videos. So try to get people to engage in your content, because a lot of people are arguing in here. I mean, if I open here, they're probably arguing. Lazy. I'd rather just pour it. So no, lazier. So you can see people want to just argue, and they want to be right. This one here was 234,000 views. This was acknowledging the 1.2 million view video here. So here you can see when you open up the comments and a new viewer goes into comment, the first thing that they'll see are the comment reply videos. So you can see I have one and love it. Makes walking my dogs so much easier. And then my comment reply video. This will lead to the viewer wanting to click that video. And by them clicking that video, if they already kind of want the product or they're interested in the product, seeing another video demonstration of it will kind of get that viewer to want to purchase that product like immediately, or it'll have it in the back of their mind so that perhaps when another one of your videos comes up later on, they'll be more likely to purchase at that time. And the thing is, by doing comment reply videos on a viral video, if anybody watched your original video or liked it or commented, that comment reply video you made is more likely to pop up on their feed later on, leading to that same concept of the more that they see that product, the more likely that they are going to be to purchase it. So let's come over here onto my screen, and then we'll listen to it, what that comment reply video was. This one was actually very basic.
My dogs are 75 and 90 pounds, and I have no desire to dislocate my shoulder on a walk.
Okay, so in this one, this is one of those occasions where I actually did read the comment reply. And it worked out in my favor, because what happened is this kind of created confusion. I didn't recognize it at the time, but now that I've listened to it and seen the comments, it actually makes perfect sense. So when I'm reading this, some people didn't even know that the comment was there. Like, they didn't really pay attention to it. They thought I was just saying that my dogs, these two little things, were 75 and 90 pounds. And already they're like, wait, what? No, that makes no sense. And you can see right here, I didn't initially realize you were reading the comment. I was like, those two dogs are not 75 and 90 pounds. And then I believe somebody else mentioned it too, maybe in the same comment. Same, seriously same. So other people are agreeing with that. So for this one here, all I did was read the comment, and then I took it off. And then what I do is I just go back into explaining the product. I don't do it in the same way that I did from the original video, because I want to give it a little bit of a different style, or give it a new look to the product. Maybe talk about a new feature. Let's actually do this, because I want you guys to watch both of them so you can see the difference between the two. So we'll watch my 1.2 million video, which is here. All right, if you have two dogs and they keep getting tangled when you're walking, let me show you guys something crazy. This is an IO Shop dual dog leash, and look at that. As she crosses over,
there is no tangling. So it has this circle here, and as they rotate over each other, all it does is just go back and forth, so it never lets them actually get tangled. I've never seen them this low. IO Shop has them for $20 here in the TikTok shop. Make sure you get them while you still can.
Okay, and this is the next one.
My dogs are 75 and 90 pounds, and I have no desire to dislocate my shoulder on a walk. Well, here's the thing. Mine are like 10 pounds, so I cannot relate to you on that aspect. But this isn't the medium size, so they do have a large size that can hold up to 125 pounds, but the question is, can you hold it? It's got a good grip here. It's got the dog ring there so you can put your doggy bags. So regardless of which one you get, it'll still have the same anti-tangle feature. Have like the bungee cord there, so if they kind of wrap around one another here, they won't get tangled up. Now this thing is getting viral fast, so if you see it in the TikTok shop, get it while it lasts because it's only $20.
I still am talking about the product. I still mentioned some of those same features, but I add it in a little bit of a different way. And then I even mentioned new features like the bungee I didn't mention in the first video. So those are just ways that you can kind of maximize and get those viewers or those customers to want to buy your product by incentivizing them with new features of that specific product. So this one I just posted, I believe a day ago. It's got 539 views, so nothing crazy yet. But you can see this one I actually didn't even acknowledge the comment. Just by having this comment here like sold, it kind of tells the same thing the customer, okay, somebody else is interested, somebody else has bought it, or somebody is convinced that this is a good product. Another good comment that could have been here are those that say like, wow, I love this, or I've purchased this and I've loved it, or I've had this for a while and it's been working great. Comments like that will do really well. Comments like those you don't necessarily need to acknowledge, and you can keep those throughout the video. Just so that the viewer can see that as you're explaining the product again, they can see that somebody else has already benefited from it. And this one might be kind of low because I was doing the whisper strategy. Subconsciously, if you whisper, people are more likely to listen to you.
And crazy. So you know you've been seeing this viral car charge on your For You page. This thing is under $10 right now. Under $10. And that's why I'm out here right now, because I don't know how long this is going to last. As you know, you pull it out, it stays, you pull it one more time, goes right back in. All these are normally $25. Do not waste this opportunity. They're under $10. They're not going to last. They're going to go viral on TikTok again. Get rid of your cabled car chargers. Get these while they last. Y'all, I'm out here in the middle of the night.
Okay, so you can see, didn't even mention the comment, but just by having it there, it leads to more conversions. And from this video alone, with only 500 views, I think I've already gotten like 7 sales, and it was posted 2 days ago, so it hasn't been a crazy amount of conversion, but I mean 7 sales on just a product that I already had and a video comment reply is really good. And don't feel like your video has to take off right away. My most viral videos took like 3 to 4 days, sometimes 5 days to even start picking up traction. And so just be patient with it. So far today, it's 3:42 p.m. And so far today, we're at $266. And those are my main products there. The pillow, and that's earned me $64. And then the dog leash, that's earned me $181 so far today. Crazy results. And like I said, these are all in my Facebook group. Link is in the description. If you want to learn more about product research and knowing how to find these products and knowing how to make these go viral, click the video here. It'll walk you through my product research methods. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.